All right, challenge time. What's cool about this is it's not really like actually that much harder, because what I've done is add variables, but the variables are actually like super easy to factor because it's kind of like written right there. So what you do for this is you just like factor the number. Okay, like this is like regular, this is what you just did. And then here you're gonna expand. I'm gonna show you what that means. Expand the variables. And you're gonna see that is a super easy process, and this is not anywhere near as hard as it looks. So let's go ahead and start by factoring the number, and notice I'm just like literally ignoring these variables. Okay, so 36, I think 6 times 6. Maybe you thought 2 times 18, maybe you thought 4 times 9. Well, whatever you thought of is totally okay. You're gonna end up with the same answer anyway. So I get to 2 and 3. Let me make this neat. That's prime, that's prime. I get another 2 and another 3. Okay, now notice when I list this out that I am not going to do 2, 3, 2, 3, right? I'm going to group the two 2's together. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, now watch. Here's what I mean by expand the variables. This right here, this a squared, that means a times a. That's expanded. That's all it means. This b to the third power means b times b times b. That's all it means. So watch what I'm going to do. See, this is 36, so this is 36, right? 2 times 2 is 4. Times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. Okay, so that equals 36. And if I want it to equal this, it's going to be times A, times A, times B, times B, times B. And if I multiply all this junk together, it would equal that. Okay, that's it. So notice the numbers is like still the hard part, and then I'm just like literally writing kind of what I see here. Let's do one more. I see a 0 on the end, so I'm right away going to think, okay, that's 15 times 10. It's okay if you think of something different. When I get to 5 times 3 here, those are both prime. I get to 2 times 5 here, those are also both prime. I'm going to list the 5's together. I notice there's 2 5's, so I'm going to do 5 times 5 times 3 times 2 times, look, see this x right here? That's 1x. This 3 does not apply to the x. It only applies to the y. This is times x times. That 3 just applies to the y. That's an exponent of 3 on the y. That means y times y times y. All right, that's it. Try them out.